Introducing Milwaukee's M12 M-Spector 360 inspection cameras, delivering clearer images and easier inspections. Featuring a high-definition 720p camera, this tool delivers crisp, clear images. The M12 M-Spector 360 features a 10mm camera head for easier access in tight spaces. Easily share photos and videos via SD card to collaborate with coworkers or customers. This tool features up to 360-degree rotation by physically rotating the screen or with a push of a button. The cable balances flexibility and rigidity for both drain line and behind wall inspections, and is available in 4 feet or 10 feet length. The M12 M-Spector 360 inspection cameras deliver clearer images and easier inspections.